Hi everyone. Ever felt overwhelmed by your credit situation? You're not alone. I'm consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton, and I've seen countless people make mistakes based on credit myths that cost them money, time, and their reputation. Today, we're busting the top 5 myths that we see. Stay tuned because myth number 4 might surprise you. Myth number 1, credit repair is illegal. Nothing could be further from the truth. Credit repair is perfectly legal if it's done properly. The law that allows you to dispute stuff on your credit report is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The law that regulates credit repair organizations is the Credit Repair Organizations Act. Now, a credit repair organization breaks the law if they take money before they provide you the service. They break the law if they make false representations about what they can do. And it's not kosher for them to tell you not to contact the bureaus directly. Look, you have the absolute ability to contact the bureaus directly and send in your own disputes. Myth number 2, you can fix your credit overnight. This is absolutely false. Fixing your credit takes time. Sending disputes. A single dispute probably won't fix your entire credit report. It may remove a few items, it may help you out some, but you'll have to dispute things several times. You should plan on disputing several times. If you get it done the first time, congratulations. That's unusual. But each dispute takes 30 to 45 days to get a response. So that process of disputing can take time. Now, to develop a positive payment history on your credit accounts can take 6 months and moves on from there. Getting a bankruptcy off your credit report can take 2 to 10 years, typically 7 years before it falls off, before the accounts included in bankruptcy falls off, and 10 years before the actual bankruptcy falls off your credit report. So it takes patience and persistence to improve your credit report. There is no quick fix. Myth number 3, closing accounts improves your credit score. That's just not the truth. I wish I could tell clients to go close accounts and their credit score improve. But let's look at a situation. Let's say you have 4 credit cards and $5,000 in debt. Those 4 credit cards give you a total of $20,000 in credit. So you have $5,000 out of $20,000 used. That's a 25% credit utilization rate. Now, if you close 2 of those cards and your total credit limit is $10,000 and you still have this $5,000 debt, then you've got a 50% credit utilization rate. You just doubled it. Now, that's going to make you lose credit points. You're going to have a lower credit score the higher credit utilization you have. The lower credit utilization you have, the more it improves your credit score. Now, myth number 4. This one can seriously impact your ability to get credit. This myth is that credit scores are only for getting credit. That's just false. Credit scores are used by in all kinds of calculations. Your insurance rates are calculated by your credit score. Your ability to get a job. You go apply for a job with a bank, they'll want to pull your credit report. If it's full of inaccurate information or bad information, you'll have a hard time getting that job. Apartment screenings can pull your credit report. Insurance, security clearances. To join the military these days, you have to be able to clear a basic security clearance. If you can't do that because of your credit score or because of bad debts or inaccuracies in your credit report, you can't join the military. Cell phone contracts, utility deposits, those are all dependent on your credit score. If you have a low credit score, you'll be paying a lot more in deposits and higher fees for those things. So your credit score is much bigger than getting a new credit card, buying a car, or qualifying for a mortgage. Myth number 5. To me, this is the biggest one. Credit repair companies can remove anything from your credit report. Look, this is just not true. And credit repair companies will tell you they can remove all kinds of things. They just can't do it. What can be removed are errors and inaccuracies, outdated information, unverifiable accounts, mixed file information, and identity theft information. That's what I call wrong information. What can't be removed is ugly information. If information is just ugly or just bad, then it can't be removed unless it's also inaccurate. Examples of ugly information are accurate late payments, valid collection accounts, legitimate bankruptcies, and verified negative items. These things simply can't be removed. Now, credit repair companies will tell you they can remove it, and they'll play games with the bureaus. They'll tell one bureau not to report your address, and they'll play it against another bureau saying they can't verify it. These are all games. They may work temporarily, but in the long term, they won't work. So keep an eye out for these credit repairers or credit repair folks, because you can do all this stuff yourself. Look at some of my videos. I got videos on how to send dispute letters, on how to draft disputes. Those are all great videos that give you the information you need and put the power in your hands to correct your credit report. Now that you know these myths, you're better equipped to handle credit repair on your own or evaluating somebody you want to hire to repair your credit. Look, credit repair is not illegal. Credit repair companies, a lot of them are very shady, and you have the power to do all this stuff yourself. And now you have the knowledge. Now that you know these myths, you're better equipped to take control of your credit. Remember, credit repair is a legal right, but it requires patience and the right approach. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you know somebody who needs information, please share it with them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.